If you go to the market in Nigeria today, you will find out that the prices of common commodities, as mainly food items, are highly abnormal. It is actually getting harder every single day. And this is because of the exchange rate of dollars to naira. As at the time of doing this video, $1 is equal to 1,008 naira. And this is actually increasing on a daily basis. But that's not a problem. The problem is that sometimes you may not be able to know how to cushion the effect of this high increase of prices of common commodities. But do not worry, because there are actually some websites that if you start using today, you can be making easy money on a daily basis. These are websites that will pay you 2,000 naira daily here in Nigeria. Most of these websites require no experience and cost you nothing to get started. And the good thing about this website is that you don't need any PayPal account before you can be paid. You will definitely be paid in your Naira account. And imagine what 2,000 Naira can do for you on a daily basis. Imagine for 30 days, at least if you're consistent with all of these websites, at the end of every month, you'll be making not less than 60,000 naira if you're able to be making 2,000 naira on a daily basis. If I've been looking for ways to start making money online and earning at least 2,000 naira daily, please watch this video from beginning to the end. And I'm going to be sharing this website to you and show you guys how you can start using this website to make money for yourself on a daily basis. And if this is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Linus, and I make videos that teach you how to make money online and help you scale your online businesses. And if this is what you're interested in, please do well to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and click the bell notification icon so that each time I upload videos, YouTube is going to notify you of such videos. And also, please do not forget to share these videos. If you are a returning subscriber, I say thank you for your loyalty, and I urge you to like this video and share it with your family and friends. Guys, the first website we're going to consider today is pocket.ng. Pocket.ng is a website where you can go and you can do some tasks to start earning money. Those tasks are just mainly social media tasks and some other tasks. If you go to the website, you just click on create account. You put your full name, put your referral username, that is if you like, because this place is very, very optional. But now since I already have an account, I just created an account on this particular website. I'm going to log in for us to see how the interface looks like. Log into G. This is what we're going to see. Let's log in and see how it looks like. This is the interface of pocket.ng. Now, there's one thing I want you to understand about this particular site. This is the home page. Then you have for advertisers and you have for earners. I would advise you to go for earners because that's exactly what you have come here to do. You have come here to make some money. Now, if you click like this place earn here now, you will see some certain tasks you can do. You will see here, perform social tasks and earn daily. Resell products and earn big commitments. That is, in this particular website, there are two things you can do. You can either promote the products they have in this website, or you start doing some social sites. Social sites include, if you look at by this right hand side here, click this recent activities. If you have view more here, you have some activities that people are doing. You have this for Okwa West, Abia, and this person is from Okwa West. Uche coming from Okwa West just earned 3 naira for liking a page on Facebook. These are some of the tasks you can do. Some of these tasks are exactly what you really do, but you're not earning anything from them. You have to like a Facebook post, you have to follow a Facebook page, you have to like a Twitter post, you have to follow a Twitter account, or even Instagram pages and Instagram posts. This is exactly what these websites offer you. Now, what you can do in this case, if you come to home here now, Now you click on become a member. If you click on become a member in this particular website, you'll be required to activate with 1,000 naira. And once you activate with 1,000 naira, you will have a lot of tasks that can be given to you. You can also go to the marketplace. If you enter the marketplace, you are going to see so many products that you can start selling. Out of these products, each of them you sell, you have a particular percentage of money that will be given to you. You have different categories of things you can sell. That's to say, this particular website is also a website where you can do some tasks and also do affiliate marketing. So whichever one you feel like, you just start. And you have different kinds of products you can promote. You have health and beauty, grocery, phones and tablets, baby product, computing, fashion, electronics, home and office, books, movies, and musics, other categories. Now, if you don't want to start doing some little job that can give you like 3 naira, 2 naira, 20 naira, and the rest of them, you can come here and begin to promote their products. If you have a Facebook page or a Facebook profile or even your WhatsApp, you can use them to promote some of these products. Just find any product you have interest in and start promoting. Now, the second website we are going to look at is vtuexpress.com. vtuexpress.com is a website where you can go and purchase data or airtime at a lower price. Then you can come and sell it at a higher price to your family members, to your friends, to some other people that are very close to you, to your colleagues in the office. Now, if you click here, register, you can just get an account for yourself in this vtuexpress.com. You fill your username, you fill your real name, you fill your username, email address, phone number, address, and referral code. If somebody refers you to this particular website, you put the person's referral code. Anyway, it is very, very optional. Now, I already have an account with this particular website. So what I'm going to do now is to show you how the interface looks like. I'm going to click on login. Now, let's log into this website and see how it looks like. See how much you can be doing. You can be buying recharge cards. You can be buying data, and how much you can resell it to people that are very close to you now. So what you have to do here now is you come down to this place. You click on pricing. So when you click on pricing, it's going to take you to an interface where you have different amounts of money that each of these data from different networks. Say like this one is MTN data. You have 50 MB, it's about 44 naira. Then you can sell it at any amount of. If you become the affiliate, can sell it to you at 42 naira. If you become the top user, they sell it to you at 42 naira. And if you are API user, they sell it to you at 41 naira. And everything is valid for 30 days. If you have 2 gig here, 2 gig is 500 naira. But this 2 gig can cost 1,200 naira or 1,400 naira, depending. So by the time you buy this at the rate of 500 naira, you can go and sell it. If you come down to Glow, you also have Glow here. 1 gig is 260 naira. You can buy this 1 gig at 260 naira and sell it to somebody at 1,000 naira and make your profit. It's also the same thing with Airtel. Different data. You also have 9 Mobile. You come here, buy this data at this cheaper rate and sell it at a higher rate and make your money on a daily basis. Another website that can also pay you about 2,000 naira on a daily basis is freebies.com. And if you go to this freebies.com, so freebies.com was created for you to make cool cash every day by doing simple social media jobs on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Use freebies to answer survey questions, play games, and install applications to make money online daily. On freebies, you can hire online workers. That's if you become if you become an employer, you can hire people to do some certain tasks for you. But in this case, we are like workers now. So we go in there and register as workers and begin to do work for people to pay us. Since here, we will reward you with 500 naira on each friend and instant bonus of 5,000 naira when you reach 50 verified referral limits. That's if you have your referral link and you share with your family and friends. Whoever that registers with this website is going to give you extra 500 naira instantly. So what are you still waiting for? All you have to do there is to click on this register fill all your details, and begin to use this freebies.com. I already have an account here. Let me just log in so I'll be able to see how the interface looks like. Create an account, you fill all your details from beginning to the end, and you can see, say, how did you hear about freebies.com? You can choose from YouTube because you're actually hearing from YouTube here. Now let me click login because I already have an account with this freebies.com, so we'll see how the interface looks like. Now we have get access to more jobs. You get verified now. If you click this place now, you wait for them to verify you. Then once they verify you, you will start taking online jobs and start making your money. So it's get verified. If you get verified today, you get all the following at no extra cost. Lifetime access to job. You can also hire workers, unlimited withdrawals, and bank transfers. Please just go into this website, register, and start making use of it to make your money on a daily basis. Another website we're talking about today is sproutgigs.com. This sproutgigs.com is going to offer you opportunities to either sell your gigs or you hire people. And you can also refer people to this website and make some cool cash. So once you go to the website, you can either click get started here or you click sign up. So me, I already have an account here. So what I am going to do now is to click on login. If I log in here, I will see the interface, how the interface looks like. This is how the interface. Now, if you're a freelancer, you can sell your gigs here. I will promote your link on my 260 monthly view Pinterest. I will promote your link on my 1.8 million monthly view Pinterest. So these are people that are actually offering gigs as freelancers. You can either become a freelancer or you start doing some micro jobs that can pay you some cool cash here. Then if you want to do micro jobs, you come here, click on find jobs. Opens, you find jobs. These are the kind of jobs you can actually do on a daily basis. This one will have SEO from promote. Then once you click on each of these jobs, it is going to give you the exact thing you are required to do. These are series of jobs you can do on sproutgigs.com. And if you take this thing very seriously, on a very good day, you keep on, and on a daily basis, you keep doing tasks on this job. You keep doing tasks on this job. And before you know what is happening, you will start earning serious money on this sproutgigs.com. And if you're a freelancer, it's also another opportunity for you to put up your gigs, start selling your gigs. In that case, you go to gigs, click gigs, and post your gigs, promote your gigs, and people start coming to get work from you. You can also do survey, browse surveys and offers. Then if once you browse surveys and offers, and anytime you answer any particular survey, you will be paid. Then in this sproutgigs.com, you can also become a freelancer, like I said before, or a buyer. If you switch this thing back to buyer now, the thing will change you to a buyer, somebody that wants to buy. But if you want to become a freelancer, you become a freelancer. Then another website we're going to consider that can pay you at least 2,000 naira daily is nairaworkers.com. Nairaworkers.com is a website where you can do some simple tasks that can pay you money on a daily basis. There are so many social tasks that you can do. Those social tasks are something that you're already doing on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your Twitter, on other social media platforms like WhatsApp. So what you have to do is to click register here. Once you click register, you fill your details and get into the website. I already have an account here. Let's click on sign in and see how the interface looks like. Then this is welcome lines to hire my, then perform simple tasks. This is where we need to click. We click on perform simple tasks. These simple tasks are the things that will definitely give you jobs that you'll be doing on these websites. Once you click here, then you have available jobs. These are available jobs. For instance, now the first job we have, let's say, palm pay sign up for new users only. And there are 25 different jobs that you can do. Out of these 25, one has already been taken. If you complete this job, you'll be paid 216 naira 97 kobo. They have palm pay sign up, new users only also. And what about 25 jobs? If you do this job, you definitely be paid 316 naira. Then simple task, share your post on your status. Share post on your status. If you share this post on your status, you will earn 40 naira. Then you're going to view the job. You also have several jobs here. Then even WhatsApp, even this particular WhatsApp is going to give you 12 naira. Then sometimes you might be thinking that all these things are too small. Why would I be doing that? If you calm down and keep doing this gradually, before you know what is happening, because you now you have this particular 310 jobs in a day, and you're able to do like 10, you have 310 naira multiplied by 10 jobs in a day. You've actually made 3,100 naira. And it says Miss ML Pro Reward. Just sign up only with one title. Just sign up only, and you're there. So these are very good sites that you can actually start making money. And before you know what is happening, definitely this high cost of prices might not be actually affecting you the way it used to. Then another site we'll be looking at again is sidegigs.co. Sidegigs.co are those sites that can give you some jobs that you can do. You can also sell your gigs. That is, if you're a freelancer, you can also sell your gigs on this particular website. Let's log into the website and see how it looks like, because I already have an account with them. I just need to sign in and see how the interface looks like. Now you come down here, you go to Task Center by your left hand side. You click on Task Center, and when it opens, you see different jobs that are displayed. Now for you to get new recent jobs, come to this place, click on this to get to the next page. Then when it opens, you're going to be seeing some jobs that are very recent. This particular job was posted 4 days ago. This one is also 4 days ago. Then as you go on, you still see some jobs that are posted that are very recent. Click on the job, find out what the job is all about. There are very simple things. This one is to follow IG. If you follow IG, you're going to get about 3 points. All this is just follow, just go and like a post on Instagram. Go and like a post on Instagram. Post, comment. Go to Instagram post and comment. When you comment, you'll be paid. There's some simple tasks you can actually do. If you're consistent, you will see yourself start making money. Seriously. Please, if you have gotten value from this video, please give this a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video among your friends and family members. Please try as much as possible to go to the comment section. Comment anything you want. Just share your thoughts on the comment section. I'm always there to attend to every comment I see there. Share this video. All the websites that I've actually done on this video, I'm going to link all of them in the description box below. Thank you for watching.